Hello guys and welcome back. Today I have right here my car in sport version, the new Audi RS3. And I find this car here today and I say I have to present you. It's the best version of new Audi A3 in sport, and it's fabulous. Look at this um, exhaust pipe down here. Look at the air diffuser in black glossy. Look how cool they look, the exhausting. Also the LED light on the numbers plate. We have beautiful air diffuser down there, sensors, parking sensors in the back, also light light reflector. And I like the design, the lines of the car, also the new LED lamps in the back. You already see it on A3. Also I like this spoiler up here, the shape, the lines look gorgeous. Also the brake light up there look fabulous in the back. Also we have no logo from Audi in the back. Going on the side, and we find these beautiful rims, also chrome around the windows. These rims are Audi Sport logo on them. They look almost similar with the classic one that come on Audi A3. Also 19-inch wheels, in case you're wondering. They look gorgeous. Also I love the chrome around the windows. Look at the chrome, look at the windows. Also we have this gray up here where you can add some extra luggage. We have the glass roof up there that you will see it in a moment inside the car. Down here we have just the plastic in the color of the car, to protect the downside of the car. And also I like this kind of chrome, matte chrome around the windows. I never see it before, this matte chrome. Here are the mirrors, also beautiful with LED blinkers, and the same chrome matte. So this is the chrome matte that you find here around the windows. It's look beautiful. I want to make this on my car as well. They look very nice. Also the camera that read the sign, speed limit and all that stuff are there in the front. Look how gorgeous look this RS3 from the side, from the back. It is really beautiful car. I really like it. Really nice. One of the best hatchback out there. Most beautiful. Look the front, how cool it's look, the rims with the mirrors and with the chrome around the windows. Also the shapes in the front, the grille, the shapes on the hood look very nice. Going down the grille of the car look gorgeous. And the LED lamps as well, full LED adaptive light here. The daylight are opening now. Down here we have the sensors, parking sensors, there on the grill too. Here we have glossy plastic, nice design, really nice. The front of the car, quattro. We can see this car is four-wheel drive. There we have the sensors, the radar for the adaptive cruise control, emergency brake. We have the Audi logo in black, so you don't even see the logo RS3 here in the front, on the front grille. It's fabulous. The car look gorgeous. I really love it. It's like customized car made for a client special with some changing on the car, and it's gorgeous, really gorgeous. Great choice. There we have the blind spot in the mirror, as I told you before. It's one of the most beautiful car. Also he chose to take out the audio logo from back here. It's really nice car. Going in the back, we have LED lights in the both side this time. In the trunk, is similar with the A3. A lot of space here. Here we have the repair stuff for the wheel. If you want to change it yourself, you find it there. We have hooks and all that stuff. And this is what you have under the floor: the repair kit, battery, and the speakers here. And also you can adjust that floor, you can take this out without any problem. um, if you want to carry big items, this Audi RS3, it's really spacious. Has a lot of space. Nice big windows, great quality materials, soft materials. The new handles with the LED there in the doors. Also the glossy kind of carbon fiber on the door. Alcantara we have also here, and a speaker. A great leather, and even the buttons are really nice. Also we have the speaker again, Bang Olufsen, good quality sound inside this car. The entrance in the car, as you know, very big. You see from my review with my car, it's the same body. Also, I love this design of the seats. Look how cool they look with these holes in the seats. Look fabulous, really beautiful. Here we have the vents and two USB ports here in the back. Also look gorgeous. And we have the vents there in the back. We have a big step in the middle. Here also two cup holders and an armrest. Very useful. As you know, when you lift down the seat, you have a flat floor there, and you have a huge space in the trunk. You already see it on my other reviews. If you want to see with the A3, the space in the trunk, you can check out my channel and check out my other videos with the Audi A3, and you will see it's the similar space. The space here in the back, it's huge. I can stretch my legs under the front seat. I have LED lights down there. The headroom, it's huge as well. Closing the door, we have handle hooks here. Great visibility on the windows, really very good visibility. Going in the middle, it's a little bit tricky, but once you're there, you have great space on the legs, um, great space on the head, much more space than in the RS5. Here in the back, RS5 has less space than this RS3 in the space in the back. I'm really impressive. Also LED lamps on the hood, a beautiful solar roof here in the front for the driver and the passenger. Also the dashboard and the steering wheel, it's beautiful. I think these sports seats are kind of big, and you have not so good visibility when you are a passenger in the back. You cannot see so well in the front because of the seats are really big. They are enormous. Keyless entrance in the car. The door is similar as in the back, good quality, soft material. We have kind of chrome design here on the handle with LED, same as in the back. Alcantara, leather, buttons, speaker, and storage space. Bang Olufsen sound, nice design. Also, we have the Audi Sport LED light reflector in the night. RS3 here with LED. At the entrance, we have manually adjustable seat, RS seats. You can see the design, it's pretty nice. They are really nice, these seats, really comfortable. They are huge. Here is the light option where you can open it. Also we have the same vents, beautiful vents, one of my favorite vents ever, this and on the new Mercedes. They are great. Also the pedals, aluminum pedals. You can see here in the middle also. You can adjust the seat. Here we have the armrest in leather, some space here, and you can charge your phone down here in the middle. Quite cool, and some USB port there. I think you can see it. Also very useful these days. We have also electronic handbrake here in the middle. We don't have auto hold. That's impressed me because it's cost also around 250 euro or 300 euro to put it. I don't know why they don't put the auto hold on this car. You can see the LED light there as an ambient light. They look fantastic. on the cup holders, the aluminum pedals I showed you before. Going inside, we have the keys here, that we have RS on the keys, and two cup holders, the same design, USB port in the left and 12-volt port, 12-volt there. Also the climatic system is the same as on A3. A lot of space down here in the glove box, similar nice quattro logo here, and also the vents, and here is navigation system in the middle. Let's go out. Very simple, soft material on the dashboard, very simple, nice mirrors, a great quality. Up here we have LED lamps, in the roof also on the mirror LED lamps, and great quality on the roof, good design. I know because I drive this car. It's drive fantastic. It has great visibility. You can easily drive it in all the modes: sports, comfort, efficient, or economical. The steering wheel, it's gorgeous, great quality. Alcantara with leather combination. The buttons to control different functions. Also the clappers to change the gear manually when you want it. It's really useful. And also the adaptive cruise control and all that stuff. You can adjust it from there. Start stop button here on the center console. We have on the car the new infotainment system, MMAE Try free. This is the best one that you can get on A3. Also the display there, the cockpit is the newest one. It's fantastic. It has great resolution. It's really good. And also you have great visibility on the road. Here in the navigation and all that setting, it's also easy to control. It's not a touch screen, so you can control it from here, from center console. It's very easy to adjust, to control it while you're driving. It's one of the best in my opinion. Touch screen, it's kind of complicated sometimes when you're driving and you have to use the touch screen. It's complicated, but when you have these controllers down there, it makes it much more easy to drive, to use it while you're driving. And you have different function. I think you already know it. Here is the technology: adaptive cruise control, blind spot, sensors around the car, and all that stuff. You can really change it from here. Also you have the option to change the climatic system, the driving modes, the telephone. You can connect your Android Auto, or yeah, all kind of stuff that almost all the car do in 2019. So anyway, the screen is nice, the colors are nice, and you have great visibility there. And I like that you can put it inside the dashboard in the night. It's gorgeous. When you don't want all that light to come in your eyes, you can put it back in the dash and you can drive it. It's gorgeous. Here is the new cockpit. You can customize it in different ways, depend where you want to see the navigation, in the left, right, in the middle, all over the screen, or you can customize it to see the sport, speedometer or turometer. Depend what you like to see. In the left, in the right, you can customize the screen in different modes, and it's kind of great. In this 2019, it's something like this I want to see on all the cars on the street. The engine, it's fantastic. The car, it's fantastic. Great handling. It stays great on the roads, and it's one of the best hatchback out there today. This and the A3. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos, and I wait you soon with the newest car on the market. So bye, guys.